What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's me, Mikey Pipes. Take the dogs out for a walk. It is Wednesday, March 15th, 2023. And let me tell you something. Today, I felt like a parent slash babysitter for my employees, not even my own kids. Oh, wait till you hear this shit. Wait till you hear this. You know, Monday night, Frankie and Peter took a flight from LaGuardia to Nashville, Tennessee. Maybe you like Mikey Pipes. Why would you send Frankie and Peter to Nashville, Tennessee? Well, there's a manufacturer called A.O. Smith that I happen to be a business partner with. You know, we are an authorized service provider for A.O. Smith water heating products, right? You know, A.O. Smith owns Lochinvar, by the way. Yeah, Lochinvar. One of my top 4 recommended wall hung condensing combi systems, right? So anyway, I send them there for training. Yep, 3 days. Tuesday, Wednesday, which today, and Thursday tomorrow. And then they're both gonna head back on a plane to New York. All expenses paid. Yep, all expenses paid. The flights, the accommodations, meals, plus they get paid. But today, not only did I feel like a babysitter and like a parent, I was also embarrassed and humiliated. Yeah, let me tell you. I get a phone call from the director of training over at A.O. Smith. Yeah. Yep. It's like getting a phone call from the school principal at your kid's school. Here I am thinking for a split second. They're both calling me because of a conference call. They're both calling me to say how great they are attending in school and, you know, that maybe they don't need 3 days. They can use 2 days. Who am I kidding? Who am I kidding? Well, I always keep it uncut, unedited, raw, and especially uncensored on this channel. Yeah, well, let's take a guess. Who has been misbehaving in school? Let you get your thoughts and feedback down in the comment section down below. Was it Peter or was it Frankie? So before I get into who did what, I'm on a conference call. I have a gentleman. He's the head of training over there at A.O. Smith, and another individual who also witnessed. You know, also sits in some classes from time to time, also equally as concerned. And, you know, they made it clear that, we know Pipe Doctor very well. You know, you're an authorized service provider for us, you know, and you install our products, you repair them, take care of any warranty issues, things like that. You're basically a representative of A.O. Smith remotely in the New York metropolitan area. And I'm like, oh man, they're gonna pull that card, huh? Let me tell you something, it's very embarrassing. I was actually mortified, actually, that to get a phone call like that about your employee, that they're sleeping in class, that they showed up a half hour late, literally was disruptive to the class because of the snoring. I got a picture of it. And let's post that picture right now. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm a very, very nice guy. You know, I'm a great boss. I consider my employees like family. I really do. And you're part of a team. You're part of a small, closely knit family. And, you know, I give a lot of leeway. a lot of leeway. But if you're gonna embarrass me like fucking that, well, let's just say you're not part of the family anymore. You're not. I'm sorry. Nope. So when I get a phone call stating that, you know, your employee is not welcome here tomorrow, well, he's not also welcome to come back to Pipe Doctor too. If you're gonna embarrass me like that, I'm gonna embarrass you on fucking YouTube. The fuck is wrong with you? Let this be a lesson to all those who are watching and who may be even interested in working with me and with the other Mike, Peter, and Daniel. I'm a great guy. I'll give you the shirt off my own back. At the end of the day, we hustle, we work hard, we get paid good money, we go home to our families. But don't take fucking advantage. Don't treat it like you're fucking on vacation. What the fuck is wrong with you? Seriously. At the end of the day, I get reminded that being the boss is like being a babysitter. Time to put this baby in the corner.